Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi everyone. This little tutorial is to download SqlDB browser. We search about SqlDB browser using Google, then go to the official website, then just search for Windows portable application. There are different versions here in the website. Just go down to Windows portable application. This version doesn't need any installation. Download the file, go to the download folder and run the file. It has only one step or two, just to extract the files into a folder. Here, double click. Next, then see the file will be extracted. All files will be extracted in the same folder of the current installation file. Click install. As you can see here at the background, a new folder has been created. It has all the files required to run the DB Sqlite DB browser. This is our program. Double click and this is the browser for Sqlite. When you start, you need to create a new database. You need to give a file name. For example, MyDB, then select the location, save the file, ignore this, and every time go to execute SQL. Here you can type your SQL commands or you can copy it from your notepad. Before proceeding, go to the settings, SQL, increase the font size for SQL editor 18, for the result 14, and the tab size 10 or 8, whatever it is. Save, and here we have copied the code from notepad, then paste it here, and then you need to run this SQL commands by clicking on execute SQL command. You will get some notification that it will, for example, took 1 millisecond this query to be executed. Again, we can add more SQL commands, for example, inserting data, new rows into the same table, then click execute. It will show you the last query statement executed. You can type any SQL command here. For example, select all from depth, the table that we just created, to see the result. Execute, then you will see the result, the output of this query. You will get all the records from the table. Anytime you can close the database. If you are prompted to save, click save. Anytime you open the program, you need to open the database again. For example, here you confirm, save it again, save the profile again. Anytime you run the program, you open the program, you need to open the database. Open database, select the file, then click open. Then you can continue your work. Here you can check what tables do you have. You can browse all the data stored in tables. Anytime go to execute SQL. Thanks for watching.